You push it. 1, 2, 3. Go!
What's happening, everybody? By the time we get up to the mountains today, that fog's gonna clear and we're gonna drop some pumpkins, so stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna go up to the mountains right now, the Gavilan Mountain Range, and we're gonna go through a neighbor's property and meet some friends. I've never went this way before, and it's nice and foggy, so we're gonna do a little exploring together. So let's go. Ooh, cow pies. We share a gate with the neighbors. We actually share a lot of gates with the neighbors. Here's one of them. I've never been through here before. So we're gonna discover it together. Big cow pie. I'm glad I didn't go through that one. Dirt bike falls over and I tear my pants on the gate. On the gate. Dropped the dirt bike, tore my pants on the gate. We're off to a good start. That's not good. That'll work. All right. Ready?
Yeah.
Man, I have a hard time to start this. There we go. All right. Dropped the dirt bike, knocked out all the gasoline in the carburetor or something, wouldn't start, tore my pants on a gate. Luckily I got these good pants, didn't tear them that much, and luckily I ordered some other ones the other day. Anyways, I've never been over here, so we're gonna explore it together. This is our neighbor's property, 25,000 acres, so let's go, let's enjoy it. Thanks for tuning in. I have no idea where I'm going. Maybe I'll put a screenshot of a map where I think we're going. So far, so good. We're gonna meet at a base camp. From there, we're gonna cruise up into the mountains, go up. I'm not sure the elevation. Maybe I'll put that in on the screen below once I figure it out. But we're gonna roll some pumpkins down a hill. Not sure how many our friends have, but it's gonna be fun. We could be totally going the wrong way too. Got this really cool knife with me though, made by CJRB. It's called the Nanner, it's shaped like a banana. Oh yeah, pig damage. And the fog's not helping too. I looked at a map online and to see where we were going, but it looks a lot different from the ground. Oh. Okay, this looks kind of familiar. Ooh, squirrel holes. Okay. The road splits off to the left at some point, and we're gonna take that road to the left. I think it's right here. I got my wife and kids behind me. They're following me. Here they come. Man, it's cool over here. This property is so big and vast. If you get lost out here, you're screwed. And you better have a gun on you. I'm gonna use the back brake, the back wheel brake here, going downhill. Gonna use my lower gears as a brake also. Got the XR100 today, kids. It's a blast. I'm looking at a CRF 150. Maybe we can get Honda to send me one. But there's a guy in town that has one for sale for too cheap, you know what I mean? You ever get them deals that are too cheap and it just makes you think? Too good to be true. Oh. Almost ate it. I was in too low of a gear. Okay. Okay, we got a road right now. Oh, I know where we're at. We're right next to our property. I see where we're at. Man, I gotta take you guys on these trails more often. Holy cow, beautiful. Choke on. I have my choke halfway. A little chilly with this fog going on, but that's okay. I got my windbreaker jacket on. We're having a good time. Tearing up the land. Oh, hard turn. Let's go left. Hope this is the right way. To our friend's house. Home base. Oh my goodness. All right, you guys, take a look at this. Oh, look at all those pumpkins. Oh man. Game on. And more pumpkins. we're at the top of the mountain here, and all them pumpkins are going right down there in that little canyon. Let the games begin.
Oh.
Mmm.
Is it crackers?
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hey! Ah, that was that.
Got it?
Here it goes.
Oh, that's a good one. Got it? Uh-oh. Roll it down the hill, Daisy.
The dog chasing her.
Oh, Dex. Come on. Get back here. Come on.
Oh crap. 3 pieces, 4 pieces.
You got it good.
Last
You guys all
pumpkin.
get together. All of you push it. 1, 2, 3.
Go!
You guys.
Oh my God.
I got good luck. Hold on.
Alright, buddy? Okay. He's just mad now.
Hold on. I got good luck. Hold on.
Alright, buddy? Okay. He's just mad now.
1, 2, 3.
I know you have
It's a goner early watch.
That one's going for
The head blew off. I got shot with a 50 cal. Oh.
Watch out, boys.
Hard to imagine they get this big. Good thing you guys had all your sugar.
Hold on. Let's get a video of this one. Okay, and whatever you do, you guys don't go off the edge.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Push!
I know you have
Hold on. I got good luck. Hold on.
Alright, buddy? Okay. He's just mad now.
Yay! Oh, it's still going. No way. That was big.
Look at that.
I guess that was good.
Oh no! Oh!
Oh, it is.
Sherry helped her decorate the little thing. It was pretty cool. We had fun. Oh, yeah, yeah. Rowdy. She's got a cute face.
Yeah, I got the 2 pieces.
Oh, that's what I told her. She was like, I'm going to give you money. I go, you don't pay for nothing. I go, you know what? He's still getting the damn calls. And I said, she goes, damn header. And I was like, damn header what? She goes, it didn't work yet. I go, 30 days. She goes, you got to give it a break.
Oh, there goes a big one. Man, that's ugly. Oh! Oh!
It's like that one movie, The Sandlot. Like The Sandlot. I think he's fine though.
We'll find out.
So I aimed right.
Kids get hurt all the time. Every day.
Who's going to explode first? Oh! Here's your brother.